Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Jasmine. Welcome to my video. I want to show about my mini proposal, and the title is the role of English subtitle as the media to improve student vocabulary. Okay, before I would like to say thank you to my supporting lecturer, Miss Lily Perpisa, and all audience. Thank you very much. Okay, I want to explain about background of the problem in the chapter 1. Because vocabulary is most important, but learners are not able to use the target language efficiently. So, the teacher using media to improve the student vocabulary. Okay, next about limitation of the research. As the topic, this study focuses on the role of English subtitle movies as the media to improve student vocabulary. And next research question is how to implementation of English subtitle in improving student vocabulary, and so the research objective is to investigate the implementation of English subtitle in improving student vocabulary. Next, definition of the key terms. The first one is vocabulary. Vocabulary is set of words known to a person or other entity or the part of a specific language. And the second is subtitle English movies foreign language. Subtitle English movies foreign language with subtitle are becoming increasingly popular. And the last is improve. According to Bull 2008, improvement is the process of becoming or making something better. Therefore, to improve is to make the student's scores better or increased. Okay, next in the chapter 2 about review of related literature. The first one about the nature vocabulary. Vocabulary is a collection of words, or in general, vocabulary used as a tool to communicate with fellow human beings, to communicate with other people, increasing their feelings, opinions, and criticism. And next, types of vocabulary by Richard and Harmer. By Richard about general vocabulary, special vocabulary, technical vocabulary, and by Harmer are active vocabulary and passive vocabulary. Okay, next, the importance of teaching and learning vocabulary. By increasing vocabulary, student ability for better understanding in listening, speaking, reading, and writing will likely increase. If the student wants to be success in learning English language skill, must have a large of vocabulary. If students have a high desire to watch movie with subtitle, it is very likely that the students have a large vocabulary. Okay, next about movie for education. Movie for education are a powerful tool in helping students gain a deeper understanding of a variety of topics. One approach used in films for education is to use English subtitles. English subtitles can be an effective medium for improving student vocabulary because they can see the word displayed in a relevant context while watching a film. And next is subtitle English movie in learning English. Using media for teaching is not only to serve the learner's theory, but also tell them the real situation outside the classroom. Besides, using teaching media is not only advantage as for the student but also for the teacher. And next, effect of subtitle on vocabulary learning. By using subtitle English movies, students can learn how to pronounce many words. Moreover, subtitle can reinforce the understanding of English content-bound expression and help learning acquire new vocabulary and idioms. Okay, next about related finding. The first finding is review from Kolstra, CM, and Binges, JY 19 and 99, and title Children's Vocabulary Acquisition in a Foreign Language Through Watching Subtitled Television Programs. Moreover, related research comes from a thesis which was written by Van der Planck R. 1988 entitled The Value of Text Subtitling in Language Learning, and the last related research was found and reviewed by Neumann S.B. and Konskinen P. 19 and 92, caption television as comprehensible input effect of incidental word learning from content for language minority students. Okay, next conceptual framework. By movie, using English subtitle makes student experience in watching movie with English subtitle. So the rule watching movie with English subtitle are vocabulary improvement. Okay, next research method in the chapter 3. The first one is research design. The researcher used qualitative research design. Next participant is the student of Senior High School 12 Padang, and the instruments is questionnaires. Okay, and the last about data analysis. The researcher begins by thoroughly reading the collected questionnaire response multiple times to become deeply familiar with the content. The researcher systematically goes through the data and generates initial codes. The researcher organized the initial codes into potential themes, which are broader patterns that capture the essence of the data. And next, the researcher reviews and refines the identified themes to ensure that they accurately represent the data. And the last, the researcher provides a detailed description of each theme, supported by data extract. Okay, maybe that's all my mini proposal, and thank you very much for you watch my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.